Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find digital well-being and parental controls. So as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, 1 hour and 11 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. So let's tap inside this graph, and we will be transferred to this dashboard where we can check the screen times in particular days of the week. We can compare them, and under it we've got also the list of apps which we've been using. Moreover, we can tap on the specific app, and again we will have the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Moreover, I'd like to discuss ways to disconnect, but really briefly. For example, app limits, we can set the limits for specific apps. So for example, let me choose the camera, just tap on this hourglass icon, and now we can choose the time for which we would like to use the camera during a day. So for example, for me it will be 30 minutes. After 30 minutes the app will be blocked, and the timer will reset at midnight. We can also set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes, and the app will be completely grayed out. And after trying to open it, we will have this pop-out window with this information. So that's quite a cool option to try to limit the usage of the app. We can delete it. And the second one is the focus mode, for example. So you can select some distracting apps, usually social media, etc. You can set a schedule. So you can choose the start and the end time. Here we've got the specific days of the week. So you can mark them or whatever you'd like to do. And after setting it, your device will hide the notifications from distracting apps, so you'll have time to, for example, spend it with your family or for studying, working, etc. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.